You or someone you know is on their sobriety journey, please avoid these three things. Hey, my name's Cody, and I'm here to share the absolute truth about sobriety. Don't just quit cold turkey. I can't even tell you how many people are in my inbox every single day saying that they have the shakes, they can't sleep, the insomnia, the depression, the anxiety, they feel sick, they're sweating. All of that happens when you remove the fuel source, alcohol, from your body. Just like a car, if you remove the fuel source, it's going to stutter. Instead, practice drinking less. I teach that with the single shot method. So if you drink 10 a day, now you're going to practice drinking 9, and so on. And if you can relate to what I'm saying, definitely give me a follow. That's going to give your body an absolute pattern to follow when you're going to actively start rewriting the neurological codes using water that's going to help you develop a healthier relationship with alcohol. That's the point, is not to quit, but to develop a healthier relationship. Number 2, do not let anyone convince you that fixing your trauma is the first thing you have to do to fix your habit. Your trauma may have been the reason why you started drinking. That's definitely not why you've continued. Fixing your trauma, which is going to be a part of your life forever, does not fix all of the neurological habits that you've created while suffering from said trauma. So without the trauma, you still have the habits of drinking alcohol. And it doesn't matter what you're struggling with, because neurologically you have programmed your subconscious mind to literally think on your behalf. And what it thinks about often is the illusion of peace. Because whether you're aware of your trauma or not, it's still being recognized by your subconscious. So start focusing on your habits first. Drinking more water, thinking better thoughts. Start literally acting as the better version of yourself. And in doing so, you'll find yourself in a healthier position so where you can look at your trauma from a healthier perspective and actually process it. Oh, and your emotions can't hurt you. It's okay to feel the pain. And if you are focusing on your health and happiness and you're struggling with sobriety, do not do this. Do not just go get a gym membership. Do not just change your entire diet. That is going to create a completely unnecessary environment in your mind and body. And guess what happens? You're gonna get stressed out. Until you've practiced managing your stress without alcohol, all of those new things that you're doing is creating unnecessary stress on your body, and you're going to think about alcohol. This is why 90% of the people on the planet that try and stop drinking go back to drinking. That process is stressful. Instead, give yourself time. Practice eating better foods. Give yourself permission to rest. Focus on your sleep, and obviously drink more water. As you start to slowly condition yourself as a healthier person, you're going to realize that you're craving less alcohol in general. But just quitting cold turkey, attempting to fix all of your trauma, then changing all of the habits that you have, is this quickest road to what you may call a relapse. And on that note, a lapse in sobriety is not the same as a relapse in addiction. And remember, you don't have to reach rock bottom to want to feel better.